We'll be right back to Kicking It on Disney XD.
On the next Marvel's Avengers Assemble, there's a new hero in town.
I'm Hyperion. Did that dude just wink at me?
Yup.
Heat vision, invulnerability, super strength.
Seems quite impressive. Just another pretty boy in a cape.
But are Hyperion's powers too good to be true?
Humans are gone! You're a stain on this planet's face. Avengers don't take lives. We save them.
It's an epic battle for control inside an all-new Marvel universe. Marvel's Avengers Assemble. Brand new next Sunday morning at 11, 10 Central on Disney XD.
Who doesn't like free refills? This guy. Kicking It is next on Disney XD.
Switch to OxyClean. Add the power.
Is from Planet X, brand new Saturday morning at 8:30, 7:30 Central on Disney XD. Go to DisneyXD.com/kickinit and play Black Belt Basics.
I'm in the middle of class with all of my new students.
With Jack as your sensei, learn what it takes to become a wasabi warrior.
Focus, honor, and dedication.
Break boards, chop dummies, and slice and karate chop all the way to the leaderboard. Are you quick enough to steal the pebble from Jack?
Let's do it.
Go to DisneyXD.com/kickinit right now and earn your black belt.
What do you say we call off this little tournament before someone gets hurt?
You can own the music of the summer from Teen Beach Movie.
This is fantastic!
Teen Beach Movie soundtrack. Available everywhere.
Now back to Kicking It on Disney XD.
Thanks again, guys. I know you were embarrassed by those costumes, but don't worry. You'll never have to wear them again, and no one at school will ever have to know.
You're right, Milton. They don't. But they will.
Rise and shine for Saturday morning Ranimation Animation. Bam! It's an early bird special.
Time to scramble your eggs, chicken. Rooster. Whatever.
On a brand new Camplake bottle. Then a blast from the past. Ugh. On brand new packages from Planet X. Check it out. Along with a brand new Phineas and Ferb. I did not see that coming. Plus Max Steel. We bad. And Randy Cunningham, 9th grade ninja. Ninja Wap.
Why is he waggling that salami at us?
Saturday morning Ranimation Animation. Saturday morning at 8/7 Central on Disney XD.